Okay, good morning YouTube. So in this video we're gonna be replacing the sixth coil, or the second one on the driver's side. In order to be able to get to it, we're gonna have to remove this sensor, I think. So these two bolts or screws are gonna be 932s, so we're gonna go ahead and remove them. Okay, so once that thing is out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the coil. Okay guys, so we already removed the connection. So now we go ahead and remove the little 932 bolt. Okay guys, so once we remove the little screw holding the coil, we're gonna go ahead and move it side to side, so we could go ahead and get to it and remove it. This one, it's a little bit tight, so let's see. Okay, this one separated, so we're gonna have to get the needle nose pliers so we can remove the other part. Okay, so we already took out the other part of the coil. Now we're gonna go ahead, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's down there. We're gonna go ahead and remove the spark plug. Again, we're gonna use the penetrating lubricant. We're gonna put as much of as we can down there, and we're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. Okay guys, so the ratchet wouldn't fit in here, so we're gonna have to remove this bolt, and we're gonna try to move this one a little bit up so we could put the ratchet down there and see if we could actually move it. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so we removed this one and this bar wouldn't move at all. We're gonna go ahead and remove that one right there. Those two bolts are gonna be 8 millimeters. So let's go ahead and remove them and let's see what happens. Okay guys, so removing this bolt and the one on the back. This one didn't help at all, but something that I noticed is that we're gonna need to remove this hose right here and move it aside so we could go ahead and connect the ratchet here. Okay guys, so we already removed the spark plug number 6. I don't know if you guys could see it. So this one, we had to let it sit for a while too, because it had a lot of build up. I don't know if you guys could see it, but we had to let it sit for like 40 minutes. So once you remove it, let's go ahead and install or prepare the other one for installation. Okay, again we get our anti-seize lubricant, and we put some in your spark plug, just like this. This is enough, because remember that when you put it on the threads, everything is gonna get covered. So let's go ahead and install it, and it's ready for installation. Okay, so once the spark plug is in, let's go ahead and remove the ratchet. For this one we had to use 2 extensions and a 5/8 socket on the ratchet. So now let's go ahead and install the new coil. Okay, coil number 6 is installed. So the next step is going to be to connect the little screw that is holding the coil down to the little hole right there. So let's go ahead and install that one. Okay guys, so once we install the coil, we're going to go ahead and connect the connection for the little for the plug. Okay, so we already connected this one, the little connection on the coil. So we're gonna go ahead and install the screws that we removed from here and from here. Okay, so after we install this, we're gonna go ahead and put this one back right there. There, right there, like that. And let's go ahead and install the two screws, one on this side and one on the other side. Okay, so once we install this sensor in here, we're gonna go ahead and connect this hose. So there. So we are already done. So this was coil number 6. As you guys can see, it's already installed. On the next video we're gonna do number 7, which would be this one right here. So this is all for this video. I hope it was helpful to you guys, and see you guys on the next video.